So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, please make sure you do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like and share. Also follow me on Telegram channel at Absolute Trade. So check the comment section, you'll see a link to my Telegram channel. Follow me on Telegram. And also if you would want to trade with us for 7 days free, you can check out our 7 days free trial. You can trade with us. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So just follow us on Patreon, subscribe. You'll be able to trade with us free for, good 7 days on Patreon channel. Now let's take a look at this gold. Right now, with what I'm seeing, gold is very much likely to come to this resistance level, very much likely to come to this resistance level before we can see that drop, which is exactly what I'll be watching out for. So if in case gold comes to this resistance level, then we are very much likely to see that drop. Gold also can also give us a drop for this level, which I really doubt it will pay out that way. I mean, take a look at this movement, the trend. Let's see what this trend is saying. So we can see you can see that this is the trend, right? You can see once it comes to this, will I call it the resistance trend, right? We tend to see a rejection, which, like I said, gold is very much likely to drop to. But with what I'm seeing, I feel gold will just come out, kind of take out some traders, come to this resistance level. I think this would be a perfect opportunity or perfect level to take a sell on gold. This would be a perfect level to take a sell. Once it comes to this resistance, then we're very much likely to see that gold drops. And if it does not do that, then where gold will drop will be from this resistance level here. Gold very much likely to drop. So just watch out for these two levels. Either gold drops from this level or we see good push up and give us a sell from this level. So if in case you are interested in trading with us, I'll be putting out stop loss, take profits, entry point and every other thing. Subscribe to the Patreon channel. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So once you subscribe, you'll be able to trade with us free for good 7 days. 7 days free trial in the comment section, by the way.